The following portion of Good Day PA is sponsored by Members First Federal Credit Union. January is when we start thinking about fresh starts, setting goals, and getting our finances back on track after the holidays. Joining us this morning is Michelle Maurer to talk about how even small changes to our financial habits can make a big impact over time. Good to have you with us. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New
We're talking
Year.
about this fresh new year. And when people think about improving their finances, it can seem like, oh gosh, that's like a bit overwhelming. So what are some small changes we can make?
Sure, there's many beneficial changes, but one small change to help building good financial habits is by using the round up savings method. So when you're making a purchase, you can decide to round up to the nearest dollar and take the spare change and transfer it into your savings account. Because it's small, most people don't notice the difference in their day-to-day spending, but the small amounts can accumulate over time to have a really healthy savings balance. And once you establish a good budget and you can estimate how much you're transferring on a weekly or monthly basis, you can set up automatic transfers to automatically send it to your savings account.
Oh, now that's neat, because I was thinking I'd have to go in after every purchase and like go into my bank account, but automation, that sounds a little intimidating too, but you say it really can save more, like it helps us to save more.
It does, and automating transfers is the second small thing that you can do, and it takes the thought out of having to save, and it helps you pay yourself first before you start using those funds for something else. And even setting up small automated transfers can help accumulate. And with the Members First app, they make it very simple to be able to set up automatic transfers, to transfer it automatically into your savings account so you can achieve your savings goals.
It must be fun then to check in on it and see how much you saved. And you didn't even miss it, right? You didn't even miss it when it was going in there. Let's talk about credit scores. Credit scores are so important. And sometimes once you damage that credit score, it can be a little bit hard to bring it back. So what are some small steps we can take there?
Sure. Improving your credit is a gradual process, so you can do small actionable things that will make a big difference. So making your payments monthly and on time is the foundation to building a really good, strong credit. Also, maintaining lower balances on your credit cards and paying a little extra when you can will also help improve your credit. And our members with our First Defense checking account product have access to free credit scores at all times, and they can set up free credit monitoring alerts. So it'll make them aware of what is affecting their credit, and they can watch the progress.
Oh, wow. You're making it easy. Honestly, you're making it pretty
We try.
easy. And so, I mean, that kind of brings me to my question. Like, for those who want to make these changes, how does Members First support that?
Sure. Members First cares about financial wellness, and we want to help people become confident with their money. So they can use our budgeting tools online and the spending alert so that they're aware of where their spending is going. And also with our Members First online app, they can see that in real time. Our associates are always happy to help people establish a plan that's going to fit their life and their goals. So you can visit us at one of our nearly 60 branch locations or at our website at membersfirst.org to get started. We would be happy to help.
Perfect. Happy to help. Good to have you here with us today.
It was good to be here.
The previous portion of Good Day PA was sponsored by Members First Federal Credit Union.